get you to sign for me right here on the X. It's just gonna be reckless driving.
Man, you gave me a ticket.
Nah, I gotta give you a ticket. You almost hit the back of my patrol car, man. You did. We got dash cams rolling. You guys are flying. You're going over 100 miles an hour down the metro.
Can I please get a warning? Please.
So you gotta get the ticket, man. It ain't gonna hurt you. Come on now.
I don't think I can take the ticket.
Why can't you take a ticket? Bro, there's people that make $20,000 a year and take tickets.
I just got my license. It ain't about the money. You can have it. It ain't about nowhere near my money.
Just take the ticket, man.
How about if I do 100 push-ups?
100 push-ups? Nah, I can't do that.
All right, let's race.
Hey, here's my thing, man.
Let's race.
I got.
Let's race.
In the cars?
No.
Foot race?
Yeah. If I beat
I got all this gear
you, no
on.
ticket. If
I
you
got all
beat
this
me,
gear on. But hey, here's the thing, man.
2,000.
Is why should you be treated any different than anybody else?
Because,
You know, my beats over on Lakewood, those people were struggling. I give them tickets too.
Right. But
so why should you be treated any different?
Because I'm a taxpaying citizen.
So am I. I get tickets all the time. GSP always tickets me.
I wouldn't ever give you a ticket.
But you're not in my position. How's it gonna look if I go out on my beat on Lakewood and I ticket someone who works 80 hours a week for $20,000 a year, but I'm not gonna ticket you? It doesn't make sense.
But
You gotta see where I'm coming from, man. I can't be sideways.
I understand where you're coming from.
So
But have you ever did something and you want it and you seek for forgiveness?
yeah.
You want it to be forgiven.
But here's my thing. How many people have been struck and killed in the last week in Georgia, in Atlanta?
I don't know.
You know how many times I showed up to a dead body that got hit by a car? Just this past week?
Yeah. Right.
You think that's something I want to see?
But if I was a cop and a person told me, I'll be like, I might have slapped him like, you fucking dickhead. I want to give you a ticket.
I don't want to slap
so fucking bad. But you told me that your license,
Here's my
you just
thing,
got your
man.
license back, nigga.
I've
I ain't gonna get your
seen one
license.
too many bodies.
I promise I won't do it again.
I've seen one too many bodies, man. You know how many of those homeless people that work over there at 1919 that you were headed to? They're out in the streets picking up stuff for $20 a night?
Yeah, but I paid.
What if you hit one of them? You would have ended their life for no reason.
Right.
I'll give you a copy of this real quick, and then you guys can be on your way to get to the club. You just got to see it from our point of view, man. All right, I hope you have a good night.
Why did you say you couldn't